One morning, a man named Jabez Wilson visited Sherlock Holmes at 221B Baker Street. Jabez was a kind, middle-aged man with bright red hair. He owned a small pawn shop but did not earn much money. He wanted Holmes to solve a very strange mystery. Jabez told Holmes that a few weeks earlier his assistant Vincent Spaulding had shown him an advertisement. It said that a group called the Red-Headed League was looking for a man with natural red hair. The job paid £4 a week, which was a lot of money. His work was very easy. Every day from 10 o'clock until 2 o'clock, he had to sit in an office and copy the Encyclopedia Britannica by hand. He was told that he must never leave the office during those 4 hours. Jabez happily did the work for 8 weeks. Then one morning he found the office closed. A notice on the door said, "The Red-Headed League is dissolved." No one knew where the manager had gone. Jabez was confused and asked Holmes for help. Holmes listened carefully. Then he visited Jabe's pawn shop. He looked at the building, tapped the pavement outside with his walking stick, and carefully watched Vincent Spaulding. Holmes noticed that the assistant's trousers were dirty around the knees, as if he had spent many hours digging underground. Holmes quickly understood the truth. He asked his friend Dr. John Watson to come with him that evening. They met a police inspector and the director of a nearby bank. Holmes explained that the thieves were planning to steal the bank's gold through an underground tunnel. That night, they hid inside the bank vault and waited quietly in the dark. After some time, they heard a noise. A stone moved and 2 men climbed through a tunnel into the vault. Before they could touch the gold, Holmes and the police jumped out and arrested them. The leader of the thieves was the famous criminal John Clay, who had created the fake Red-Headed League. The strange job was only a trick to keep Jabez Wilson away from his shop every morning while the tunnel was being dug from the pawn shop to the bank. Jabez was amazed when he learned the truth. Holmes smiled and explained that careful observation had helped him solve the mystery before the robbery could happen. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.